Okay, so this one's basically all cleaned up now, as much as I'm going to do for now. Yeah, you can see the mark right there. Very subtle. So now I got to do the same to the globals version. Try to get it to the same stage. It's hard to believe that they started out the same sort of look.